up everyone? So it's our second day here in Luang Prabang. Yesterday we only went to Kuang Falls, which is a waterfall nearby, popular waterfall. So we didn't really explore the city of Luang Prabang. So that's our plan for today, explore the city here. It's supposed to be loads of cool like colonial buildings, temples. We're gonna do a little hike as well. The hike is actually up that little hill there, so we'll be doing that later on. And right now we're just going to be wandering around a bit, just walking around the streets and checking this place out. So our first stop of the day is this old French bridge. We didn't even know this was a French bridge. We just saw the bridge and decided to come here. And yeah, you got an amazing view of the river and everything here. Look at all these cobwebs. That's crazy. Pretty big bridge as well. The walkway looks a bit sketchy. Look at that. I think this panel is actually shaking. But some really awesome views here. So Luang Prabang is pretty much like this. It's very green here, got awesome palm trees everywhere. So yeah, really a beautiful place so far. Looks like you got some cool Riverside hotels there, posh hotels. We won't be staying there. Pretty nice, right?
Yeah, I like how green everything is.
Yeah, so do I.
Jungle, like big jungle.
Yeah, jungle vibes. We've now come to one of the temples right next to the place we're staying. This is called Wat Win Sunarat, and this is the oldest temple in Luang Prabang. So here you can see the main cool stupa. Apparently that's not original, this is from the 1800s. The first one was burnt down. And then over there you got the main temple. It's 20,000 to go inside. We're not gonna bother paying, so we're not going inside. And this definitely looks like an original doorway or gateway, whatever you want to call it. Looks pretty cool. And I think through here we actually have another temple, another Wat. So this one looks pretty awesome, the designs from the outside. Hello. So this one is called Wat Aham, and I think it was built in 1818. So pretty old as well. I like the architecture of the buildings here. Looks pretty awesome, and got these other really old looking stupas as well. We ended up just walking along the river. I think that was called the Nam Can River, and everything is just so beautiful here. All the colonial buildings mixed with the tropical scenery, the palm trees like I mentioned before, just looks amazing, and very laid back place. Everywhere seems pretty much empty. It isn't busy at all, so yeah, just a really relaxing place to come to. And all the way along the river there's loads of like cool riverside restaurants, cafes and stuff. So we've just come to one now to have lunch. So just like yesterday, it's a little wooden hut. And this right here is the big Mekong River, just like we ate on yesterday. and over there around this corner is the Nam Can River that goes inland. You can see all the boats passing by. So the food has been served. Just like yesterday, we got the Mekong fish right out of that river there, so that was 50,000 each. We got the steamed rice for 10,000 and French fries for 20,000. And we decided to go with the Mekong fried fish again because it was absolutely delicious yesterday, nice and crunchy. We've now come to a place called Phu Si Hill. I think it's the top attraction here in Luang Prabang. Not sure how much it's going to cost. I think we have to pay at the top. And I think it's 100 meters high, so probably shouldn't be too bad to get up there, but we'll find out now, sooner or later. So we made it to the top now. I think it only took about 5 minutes, really quickly, but definitely get some awesome views from up here. So this is the river we walked across. That's the French bridge where we started the day off, and we're staying around here somewhere. You can definitely see the amazing landscapes from up here. All the mountains in the background, all the way around. So up this rock here, you can see the other side now against the sun. Really do have awesome views from up here. Here at the top we got one of the little temples, little wats. Here we have the incense like you see in a lot of the temples around the world. Loads of Buddha statues in this one. Look at all those. So we're heading back down now. Apparently that's a good spot for the sunset, but I read that it gets really packed, and it is a Saturday today, so I think we're gonna go to the Mekong River and find a cool bar with a nice view or something. And there's actually another set of stairs that go up and down, so yeah, I definitely recommend doing both. Go up one way and come down the other set of stairs. That's what we're doing now, so you get different kind of views around here, some different scenery. So this side actually has some cool statues, golden statues. Didn't have that on the other side. Got some monks down here as well, so I think we're in a temple. Okay, so here's a great example of how nice the buildings are here. Just look at all this colonial architecture here, turned into cafes. The beautiful flowers. Even the ATMs look nice. Check out that for ATM. The nicest ATMs I've ever seen, Carol.
Yeah.
So we found our Riverside sunset spot. Sun should be going down here, so it should be pretty good. And me and Carol are both gonna get this fruits with plain yogurt, 25,000 each. And I think I'm gonna get some of the Lao beer Lao dark, and that is 15,000 big bottle. What are you gonna drink?
Wine.
Wine?
Yeah.
How much is the wine?
25k for a glass.
25k?
Yeah.
Alright. And right now there's loads of boats because they go out on a little sunset trip, I think for about 2 hours. So you're gonna see loads passing by now. How much was it again?
We saw one with 95k.
95,000?
Yeah.
Over $10?
Yeah, over $10.
Yeah.
It's a bit expensive.
Yeah, a bit expensive for Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess it would be awesome either way. So we don't really ever film at night usually. Usually I just turn the camera off. But we're heading to the market now to eat and maybe buy some clothes, a bracelet I think. So yeah, I decided to film it because I've heard that there's a really big market here. This is how the streets look at night here. All lit up everywhere. So as we walk down, I'll film some of the spots here. So we've come into the big market now. We're right at the start, but we stopped at this sandwich place here. We're gonna get some sandwiches. And the main market is over there, so once we eat, we'll enter the main market where all the clothes and stuff are. So I got my super cheap sandwich in like a French bread thing, and this is tofu, and 10,000 I think it cost. What did you get?
Tuna.
Tuna, and that was 15,000 I think, right?
Tuna and cheese.
Is it good?
Yeah, tasty.
Tasty. Alright, let's dig in. There's actually pepper in the tofu, and I've never had that before. It's actually a really good mix. Yeah, like I said, no other country I've had pepper in the tofu, and it does make a really big difference. Lots of designs on the tops, right?
Yes.
Looking for a t-shirt, something really light. This might be too wacky for me though, not sure. This one has, this one's pretty cool with its elephant designs. A lot of the countries in Southeast Asia has the same kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
Like Thailand, and it's probably Buddhism, right? Yeah.
Same, even the same.
Always elephants. The green one here. Got all sorts of stuff. Always the crazy patterns. Hello? How much are these?
45,000.
45,000. Okay. 45,000. So we've been walking for about 10 minutes now. This market never ends. And there's still another side over there to walk back. It's a huge market. Here we got the blue shop. Everything blue. Carol liked the blue shop. What's the material like? Soft, right? Get that instead. The colourful one. Check out these cool paintings. The Buddha paintings. Doggo. How much is it?
10,000.
10,000. Hello. For me. Yeah. So I ended up getting this t-shirt here. Very light material t-shirt, just like my pants. And that was 50,000. I think originally she was trying to charge 65,000, so yeah, it's very light. Will be helpful in the heat. We ended up coming back to that same food stall. Me and Carol both got crepes. Carol's is Nutella crepe and mine is banana and honey, and those are 15,000 each, so also pretty cheap. So in the next video we're going to be heading to a place nearby called Vang Veng, so that's where the next videos will be from. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.